students, welcome back to your English class. Students, in this class we are going to read the poem, The Geography Lesson. Okay, so students, this is not the poem related to your social science subject. Let's read what is in this poem and understand it. Okay, so this poem is written by Zulfikar. So now let's understand the poem. This is the summary of the poem which we are going to read in this video lecture. So let's read the summary of the poem and understand what the poet wants to convey to us. Okay. In the first stanza of the poem, the poet describes his city. He tells us how it appears from the window of an aeroplane. Okay. It is clear that the city developed just as it was necessary for the people. So what looked haphazard on the ground looked inevitable from the sky. Okay, the poet wants to say in the first stanza that कि जो हम एरोप्लेन से जब हम सिटी का व्यू करते हैं, so at that time we come to know that why city has grown like this. जैसे आप ग्राउंड से अगर देखते होंगे तो लगता होगा कि हाँ भाई ये अनप्लान मैनर में है सिटी, कहीं पर भी मीन्स स्ट्रीट है, कहीं पर भी शॉप्स है, सो ये अनप्लान मैनर में लगती है, हफिजर्ड लगती है, राइट. बट द पोएट इज सेइंग व्हेन he visited the city, I mean he saw the city from aeroplane 10,000 feet above, he came to know that why the cities has arranged like this. Okay, why the city is located, houses are located like this. So it is clear that the city developed just it was necessary. जितनी जैसे उनको necessary है वैसे ही city को develop किया गया है for the people. So what looked haphazard on the ground looked inevitable from the sky. जैसे haphazard लगता है ground से we see that everything is unplanned, means कोई भी चीज़ें planned नहीं है और you can say certain नहीं है, right? But जब हम लोग sky से देखते हैं तो हमें पता चलता है yes, everything is planned and certain. Clear? Now moving to the next stanza, the poet says that what is the logic of geography. Okay, now let's understand the logic of geography. Now the plane rises to a height of 10,000 feet. Now where is the poet? He is at the height of 10,000 feet. कहाँ पे पहुँच गए poet? 10,000 feet की height पे पहुँच चुके हैं. The poet can see the logic of geography. अब poet को दिख रहा है कि हाँ भाई जो हमारी जो सिटी है ये प्लान की गई है, जिस तरह से भी प्लान की गई है उसके पीछे क्या लॉजिक है, उसके पीछे क्या रीज़न है. क्लियर? सो लेट्स सी द रीज़न. ओके, ही कैन सी व्हाई द सिटीज इन द कंट्री हैव ग्रोन अलोंग द रिवर. नाउ ही इज गेटिंग टू नो दैट एवरी सिटी इज ग्रोन अलोंग विद द रिवर एंड द रीज़न इज that the land and water together that attracts the people, means land and water are the basic need of human beings, right? We all human beings need water and land to survive on. Clear? So this is the basic need of human beings and this is the reason why the cities are grown along the river. Clear, student? So the poet got to know when he went to he went on the height of 10,000 feet, that why the cities are grown along with the river. Okay, so poet got to know about it. Now moving to the next stanza, more sea than land. So let's understand it, what the poet wants to convey. When the plane rises still higher 6 miles up. Now जो plane है जो और high चला गया है, और कितना high चला गया है? 6 miles up. The earth looks round. Earth is single and it looks round from the height of 6 miles up. Okay, from that height it is clear that the earth has more than sea. आपने भी जब भी अर्थ को देखा होगा, यू माइट हैव सीन द ग्लोब, यू हैव सीन दैट जो ग्रीन पार्ट होता है इट इज़ लेस, बट जो ब्लू पार्ट होता है इट इज़ मोर, राइट. इसीलिए बोलते हैं कि जो वाटर है इट इज मोर देन लैंड। सो ये कह रहे हैं यहाँ पे जो सी है वो ज़्यादा है in comparative to land. Clear? However, one question remains unanswered. Poet got to know about each and everything. ठीक है, उनको अपने सारे क्वेश्चंस के आंसर मिल गए। क्लियर? बट एक क्वेश्चन है जो अभी भी अनआंसर्ड है आफ्टर गोइंग एट द हाइट ऑफ 6 माइल। अभी भी जो उनका क्वेश्चन है वो अनआंसर्ड है। तो लेट्स सी कौन सा क्वेश्चन है जो अभी भी अनआंसर्ड है। Okay, so it is difficult to understand why people hate and kill one another. So poet यहाँ पे कह रहे हैं कि earth is one, okay, our need is one, okay, we are one, we all are human beings, but I don't understand why people hate each other, why people argue with each other, why there are so many wars in our world. We are one. Why don't we love each other? Why don't we live with peaceful? Means why don't we live peaceful life? Right? So the poet is still in doubt, and he wants to know the answer of this question, that why people hate each other. Clear? Now, so what is the mystery of the poem? Thus, it is easy to understand the logic of geography. So, poet is able to understand the logic of geography from the height. However, it is difficult to understand why humans hate one another. That remains a mystery. अभी भी क्या mystery है, क्या question है? What that poet is still want to know. अभी भी ये question unanswered है. अभी भी ये एक mystery है कि why people hate each other. Poet want to know about it. Okay, so this is what this poem want to convey, the poet want to convey. So I think everything is clear to you, and this is all for today's class. We'll meet in the next class. Till then, stay home, stay safe, be happy, and continue with your studies. Thank you.